Kanong ktien jaka All India Congress Committee ka Anuma Archarya haka jing kynduh jongka bat kilar pathai Khubor ha Shillong haka khatwei tarik kyllalynkot hajar pusau kala Pynrem jur ya ka Jingsynshar ka BJP da ka beaiñ ba ka Jingsynshar ka BJP hapoh ka bat haka Jylla ka dei ka bam shym lawan ra jing myntoi ya ki paidbah nongshnong jaka da ka ba kdew ya ka Jylla Meghalaya badon bun ki jing khaii beaiñ haka Jylla kumu dewiong bat kiwei ki marpo kynduh.
So, learning and enterprising, you all know that it was all Jylla. BJP is a master in no master strokes. They are master in fake narratives and agendas, and that is how they do it. And their sole motto is to acquire the government again and again and again. They have nothing to do with the people, because in your own state you see what is happening. Deforestation is a problem. You have so many natural resources, but all are exploited. Illegal coal mining. Your state is suffering from that, and because of that you have floods, you have landslide. Like they have ruined the Uttarakhand, they have ruined the other side with lot of projects. The natural resources and nature has to be restored. So this is how they do it. They extort it like money. The nature also they extort like money.